Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I have my wait a second. I have my what? Oh yeah. So I have my acrylic markers with me. Yay! I love these markers. Those are like so much pretty. I love them. The first time I got it, and I colored it in my activity book. So this is my book. This is the book. So it's Jumbo Activity Book. So now we're gonna see which page I do. And I think so. Let me do this. Like it says, Santa looks in a joyly mood. Color him as you wish. So this is the Santa. I like this picture. It's on page 40. Okay. And this is my set of my colors. Let me just open it. It opens like a suitcase. So this is the colors. Like they're so pretty. I love that. So let me choose. I'll start with his little small stars. These are the stars. Just ignore this part. That's too dusty because of the other picture I did. This is it. So these are the stars. Let me color it. For yellow stars, I have like two because the other one is like a highlighter. So this is it. Now which one I do? Okay, let me get it. I think so. This one looks much lighter, like a yellow color, and this is too dark. Let me just keep it black. Then color the stars. Oh, I colored. Okay, let me put it like this. Oh, I forgot one thing. I didn't tell you guys. Like and subscribe and comment. Okay, so as you know what you need to do, like, subscribe, and comment. So do it now. And also one more thing, that my brother has a channel, YouTube channel. He just started. He has 4 videos, I think. So I like his editing. So please check it out. Like his it's like one guy dash 707 dash, not underscore. Okay, so I'm almost like 5-6 stars left. Okay, so I'm gonna complete it fast. Be quick with your coloring. So while I do this, just tell me that what's your favorite color, and also tell me, do you like painting or drawing? Painting, coloring, or drawing? Okay, last one left. I'm on my last one. Like this. Yeah, wow, that's so good. See my choices? My choices are always superb. Look at the stars. They're so shiny and bright. Oh, my book. Yeah. Okay. So let's go with the Santa hat. The Santa hat. I don't know the Santa hat's color. I forgot. Let me just do it imaginary. Like the thingy is white and the top part is red. I don't know the color. I would be watching a photo of Santa before I do this video. Okay, it's okay, just leave it. I'll do it as I wish. Because it says, Santa looks in a jolly mood, colored as you wish. So I can color it as I wish. Let me color it, let me color it. Da, da. I love color. See how watery this looks? Look at this. Look, it's so watery. Look at this. It's so watery. This. Yeah. Color it. I need to fill it and be proper. So what I do is, whenever I color, I just go straight. Like if I do it like this in the sleeping mood, I just do it like this. Not like I will do it like this and then not like that. That's what one of my art teachers told me to. So I'm just following that process, and I think it will look good. Okay, so Let's just continue. Okay, I'm just gonna dust off the thingy from. Oh my. Guys, you know what happened? I thought that I can just dust off the thingy, and this is a wildly big mess. But I don't care. I'll just fill it off. I don't care about the top parts. Just leave it as usual. I get mistakes, but I don't ignore it. So let me just color it. I think so the final result will be good. A whole Santa. Santa. Okay, so this is almost done, I think. Almost done right here. Let me be quick with the coloring. But as you rush, you'll get it wrong. I missed my throwing a bit. Wait a second. Okay, be careful. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh God! I am just mad at my fingers. See what it is? Wait, oh, right here. That's a big mess. But still, I don't care. Just ignore it. Okay, so I'm done with this color. That was a big mess color. So let's just close it. Let me think. Top part doesn't have any color. What's Santa's hair? It's always really whitey and gray, so I'll just color it. Let me see which color do I choose. Because I want it to be a bit shady. So like, see this? So I want to use one of them. This is the first one. This is the second one. People look ashamed. Like so similar. I don't know which one. I think so. This one. Okay. Oh, that's backwards. Keep it back. Okay, so I'll just shade it in the corners. Da-da-da. Santa, you look cool. That is too cool. Let me just color much lighter. I think that stop shading, then I can just color all gray. Because I love being silly with drawings. And it says, as you wish. So we'll color. I don't care about the real Santa. And if you think the Santas are not real, just smash Team Santa not real. Just say bluffs. Okay, so if you think that Santas are not real, just tell me in the comments. If you think that Santa is real, it's your wish. I'm just telling you to comment if you feel like Santas are not real. Not to like if you feel, oh, they're real, and then you comment, oh, no, it's not. Okay, so I'm done. Actually, I'm done. And see, I did a mistake again. Because I'm not an artist. Oh, wait, this one. It's right here. That's a big mistake, Rakesh. What? Rakesh? What was that? I just don't want the beard to be silly, so I'll just color the hair and keep it like that. Okay, so let's go with the cool. Freezing cold. I'll choose another one. This is it, and this one the one. This one was the one I choose for the hat. This one is the one I will choose for the coat. This is a bit different. Quick. I'm running a lot. See? So quick. Oh my. My Santa's beard got red because he ate